Hey everyone, welcome back. On the Weller channel today, I'll show you how to remove a game from your Steam library. To do this, you'll need to go to Steam, then go to Help, Steam Support, and then to Steam Support. Here we select Games, Software, and so on. I'll show you right now. I'll show you as soon as the page loads. Right here, we click on Games, Software, and so on. Here you search for the game you want to permanently remove. For example, let's say, I don't even know. Well, pick whichever one you want, short and to the point. So I want to permanently remove this game from my account. We click and remove the game permanently from the account. And by clicking this, the game is completely removed from your library. There you go. Or you can go directly to the library. Yeah, well, as you can see, it disappeared. To get it back, we click on the game and then click that it's not in our library. And now it's back in your library. So go to the library and type Honkai in the search. If it's not there, then go through the store. Yes, type Honkai here. And you add it to your library. There you go. Go to your library, and there it is. You can also remove it directly from there, just hide it, or remove it from the account the same way as through support. That's all for this one. This was Weller. See you later, everyone.